site. This is Oracle Easy Website Creation in NetBeans IDE. So here, first of all, you have given some steps to download NetBeans. First of all, you need to download Java Standard Edition platform, that is Java SE, that is JDK. I have told you that Java Development Kit is the supporting software to install Java. Now NetBeans IDE 6.0. Now NetBeans IDE and benefits of website developer. As many of you know, web applications often require many different programming language and a way of combining various technologies. For example, you may use HTML and CSS for your web page, JavaScript for some rollover buttons, and a Java servlet or a JSP to process a form. In the last video, I have told you how to create a login form using a JavaScript, HTML and CSS, that is cascading style sheet. Now I will be teaching you how to create a web application using JSP, that is Java Server Page, that is the advanced version of that is called Advanced Java. And whatever I am teaching you in BlueJ, that is the core Java. So you can see here we have complete steps. First of all, we need to download NetBeans IDE. You can see I am downloading NetBeans IDE. This type of icon will come where on the opening screen there are links to tutorial sample projects where you need to open NetBeans. Then you need to go to the top menu and click on the tools and plugins. Checks the JMakey box and install. Now click the close button. After that, you need to restart the NetBeans, create a new project, select the web as category and web application as a project, click the next button, then give your project a name and click the next button. Select the JMakey framework. There is a new framework, JMakey framework. Now in 2021, many languages are updated, changed. So we have lots of new languages, and NetBeans is also updated. And in NetBeans, we have JMakey framework, and then we need to choose whatever layout we need. Then there are all the basic layout of CSS also. There is no need to create CSS by your own. Then you need to click on finish. After clicking, this dialog box will come, which will be combination of JavaScript. You can see I have told you in the last class a code like this, and this is the same code like this what I have explained in earlier video to create login form. It will come like HTML, CSS combination of those. So adding web components and drag and drop. Here like Visual Basic, we have toolbox from where we can drag the tool and we can insert in the application. You can see which text to change by looking at the black point. Now create a separate page to include a tabbed page. In the file pane, right-click the project name, select New JSP. Enter a name for the page. You can save the page in a folder by clicking the browse and choosing a folder. Edit the JSP page as you have just created in the middle pane. Now your code will come like this. You can see a widget name dojo dot tabbed view. We need to create like this is label. I have told you in the earlier video also HTML how to create label, text box, controls, buttons. तो यहाँ पे हम label create करेंगे जिसका नाम होगा map.jsp. label दूसरा label भी हमने यूज किया है. So now अब हमने एक पेज बना लिया. अब हम उसको कंपाइल करेंगे. तो जैसे विजुअल बेसिक में डिबगिंग होता है, यहाँ पे बिल्ड होता है. गो टू द बिल्ड इन द मेन मेन्यू, सेलेक्ट बिल्ड मेन प्रोजेक्ट. बिल्ड मेन प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे तो आपका जो पेज जो आपने बनाया वो बिल्ड हो जाएगा. गो टू द रन इन द मेन मेन्यू एंड सेलेक्ट द रन मेन प्रोजेक्ट. अब नाउ एडिंग अनदर कॉम्पोनेंट. हम चाहते हैं कि हम दूसरा कॉम्पोनेंट ऐड करें. उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? इफ़ यू वांट टू प्ले विथ मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स डिज़ाइन, यू ऑल्सो हैव विजुअल जावा सर्वर फेसेस. जो विजुअल जावा सर्वर फेसेस जैसे बेसिक था, जो बिगिनर्स ऑल पर्पस सिंबॉलिक इंस्ट्रक्शन कोड था, कैरेक्टर यूजर इंटरफेस। उसका एडवांस वर्जन आया विजुअल बेसिक, जिसमें GUI है जो ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस, उसमें कंट्रोल्स हैं जिसको हम ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करके हम अपना विंडो फॉर्म डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं। वैसे ही एडवांस जावा में भी ये विजुअल जावा सर्वर फेसेस आया, जिसमें बहुत सारे अलग इम्प्लीमेंटेशन मॉडल है जिसको हम अपने पेजेस में यूज़ कर सकते हैं टू डिज़ाइन अ ब्यूटिफुल वेब पेज। नाउ एडिंग अनदर कंपोनेंट, तो उसके लिए आप जितने भी नेट का यूज़ करके जावा एंटरप्राइजेस डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, उसको उससे आपको सपोर्टिंग सॉफ्टवेयर्स मिल सकता है। नाउ यू कैन सी माई अपाचे नेटबीन्स इज ऑलमोस्ट डाउनलोडिंग। So like this you can download. After that I will show you the framework of Apache and how to do this. Whatever steps I have told you, I will let you know practically. I hope you will understand. So please go through my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.